Cummins. Louder.
Where's my hat? Thanks, babe. Wife's always got my back. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you stop back for weekly automotive and family content every week. A little history on the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name's Steve and this is Heather. My full-time job's in law enforcement. My wife's full-time job,
education. I'm a hairstylist.
And I've been building what we call the Beast since 2017. And today we got a big video coming to you, the second gen swap installation with Dirty Diesels. But before we do that, Josh is actually on his way here to pick me up now because we dropped the truck off late last night after trunk or treat. And if you're following us on Instagram, you saw those stories. They were pretty funny. We got guys putting a door in the house right now, and they're gonna tear apart like a lot of concrete. Let's mess with them.
I'm so beautiful.
Are you scared? Come on.
I'm scared.
What are you guys doing? You're not supposed to take out the concrete.
No, it's
Heather, did you approve this?
Yeah.
Wow. Unreal. Looks good. I got to get some stuff through here.
Go out the front door.
Wait, I got a lot of stuff to get through. I'm just going to put it out here now.
Why don't we put it out the front door?
I can just put it out here right now.
Put it out the front door.
We can just put it out here right now.
Jesus Christ.
What do
Out
you
the
think?
front door. Let's
Whose
go.
Ram is that? Is it your Ram? All right. That's what's up. He's got a Ram. That's what.
Ram?
Yeah, that's what we're working on today. Ram. You ever hear the YouTube channel called Ram Beast Projects? You gotta say yes. You're on camera right now. You gotta say yes. All right, guys. Josh is here now, so we're gonna play a trick on him, and Heather's gonna go out and be like, "I'm doing the install today. Steve's staying home." So good.
Okay. It's me and you today, because he's got to stay for this.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to go get my hands dirty.
Really?
Yep.
I
You
need
trust
his
me and
help.
my skills?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't. What's he doing? Got him!
Aaron's like coming in late and leaving early today too. I was like,
Hey, I love you.
Love you.
You excited? You pumped?
I'm so excited for you. Mwah.
Have a good day.
You too.
Guys, we're at Dirty Diesels. It's that time. Second gen swap time, finally. If you guys missed the last video, we did an unboxing of this whole kit. Somewhat detailed unboxing. Not as good as WCFab's, but you know, Ram Beast Project style unboxing. So we're getting ready to prep. Well, Josh is prepping and we'll be installing this shortly. And if you haven't checked out Dirty Diesel's YouTube channel, you gotta check that out. They got a YouTube channel as well. How about that, Josh?
oh yeah, check it out.
Here's the trick with the heat wrap is you want to put it in the water. What happens is after it's all soaked wet, you install it, and then when it heats up, it shrinks. Didn't know that.
So I've always been told at least.
Always learning on this channel. We're always learning, and that's what this channel's about.
Somebody will tell us that we're wrong, but
I'm sure. Josh loves working on my truck because it's so nice and high.
it's actually not bad.
No?
Yours isn't that bad. Like once you get over like 8 inches though, then it is no fun.
Here's our before shots. It's all going bye-byes, all of this.
But what we're gonna do here first, we're gonna get just tear this thing down, rip the intake off, stock turbos coming off, stock manifolds coming off. I like to pull them all as one unit. Probably pull that battery out and the battery tray because that's gonna get in our way. But just gonna tear this thing down and get going on it.
Little update, took the grill off, drained the coolant, intake is out.
Oh, that looks terrible.
And Aaron's excited because this is what I was dreading, because we had to take this inner wheel well out, liner out. So yeah, there's only 3 bolts there. There's a bolt there, and a bolt up there. And then we just undo those bolts. And everything will be good, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sure you got Skittles. Dude, you should have got more candy.
I got combos though.
That's like
cheese ones.
Those are like food.
My wife said Aaron's in ketosis. He's burning a lot of calories because he's got a metallic taste in his mouth. So he's gonna eat some more Skittles.
Aaron loves Skittles.
Because he doesn't like
Who
Skittles.
doesn't love Skittles? Stupid people.
We don't want Aaron losing any more weight.
You like Skittles?
I'm not really a Skittles fan.
Then you're
No.
stupid. I am taking off the coolant standpipe. This hose clamp is busted. More coolant, of course.
All the crap up inside.
Do you want to keep this in a special spot?
A special spot in your heart
Oh, I'll put it like on your bed liner.
is what's the fender look like? Here, show 'em. That's why I hate fender flares.
There it is.
I'm gonna take them off.
You're gonna take it off and then get 14 wides?
Yeah. You're right.
Hey, you busy there?
You busy there? I guess more coolant's going.
Most likely.
Get the handy panel popper. That tool's the best. We'll throw this in the trash too.
Never leak again. No more coolant standpipe.
We're just about ready. Just gotta unhook the downpipe and take all the manifold bolts out and turbo's ready to come out.
Nice. What you got, guys?
Still have donuts left.
And there's still donuts left.
Not for long.
Can we let it lay there?
I'm gonna need to get you some new push pins.
You destroyed them?
I might have broke a few of them off.
It
That's why it
happens.
doesn't come out.
Yeah.
Push
it,
pins. Yeah.
It happens. That's what we did.
I'll just unbolt this for you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, it's out of the way, isn't it? We could just let it lay there.
Oh yeah. We can do that.
Yeah, let's just let it lay there.
Yeah, good thinking.
Yeah. Aaron's trying to talk me into putting multicolored rock lights in this thing. What do you think?
That'd be cool.
Comment below, guys.
You could do blue then.
We can do all kinds of colors.
Yeah.
They sell those kits here and install them.
It's a fun time.
Good time. Right now, we are tag teaming this. Josh is removing the manifold while Aaron is underneath removing the downpipe. Somehow we gotta pull all this up out of here. And I gotta try to get it on camera. You got everything on bolted at this point. Josh is just disconnecting the drain for the turbo, oil drain.
Which I'm gonna mangle, by the way.
Yeah. We're putting a new one in. See, right here is why Josh got rolling tool carts. So he can jump back and grab whatever he needs and go back and forth rather than hopping off of here and going to his big toolbox. Smart move.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Just removing the coolant line from the block.
Is it gonna leak?
I don't know. Is it?
Oh yeah. It's leaking.
I mean, I drained all the coolant out.
You mean to slide that over to you down there, Aaron?
Oh, that's okay.
It's not. It's a small leak.
It's just leaking on everything.
Oh, there it is. Dude, you got it.
I think last time we did, we both pulled up on it.
I'm just gonna pull that coolant line off.
It's an interesting setup you got there.
Yeah, I know.
The stubby wrench with a massive socket on it. gotta come back over. I'm gonna take that one. You just don't want to nick them today. I like that. I have a walk. Wait, ready? Alright. See you later, Steve.
What?
Have a nice life.
I mean, we did free up a lot of space down there.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
Plenty of room for activities. Too bad we're not gonna help you though.
Yeah. That's not nice.
It's the end of our work.
That's enough. I'm gonna do that.
Cool. Can't believe those guys kicked me out of the garage and didn't finish the install. Unbelievable. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm making this video a two-part video because it would have been so long. The video you just saw is going to be the removal of everything. And then the next video, next weekend, is going to be the installation of all the goodies. If you guys haven't already, make sure you check out Worley Custom Fabrications. And if you are interested in ordering one of their second-gen swap kits or any other parts from them, they have a discount code for our subscribers, which is RAMBEAST. So that discount code will get you free shipping. And that's important when you're ordering a large or heavy things, trust me. When I'm shipping out all of my RAMBEAST merch, and thank you guys, thank you so much. I'm sold out of several sizes of the new tactical hoodies, thanks to you. Thank you so much. And Headlight Revolution, they just wiped me out. So now I already placed a new order to get more stuff in stock. So if you guys have placed orders, and just know there's gonna be a little bit of a delay because they are in the process of making a new order for us so we can get them shipped out. As soon as I have them, they're all gonna get shipped out to you. But Headlight Revolution they just made a huge order, so I gotta add that to my current order. So thank you guys so much, we greatly appreciate it. If you're interested in purchasing AMSOIL products, make sure you check us out, beastsynthetics.com. And if you haven't already, check out rambeastprojects.com. Right now I'm at my brother-in-law and sister-in-law's house, and they're carving pumpkins. And we're gonna close out this video now.
If you enjoyed part 1 of this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, what should they do?
Still give it a thumbs up.
That's right. Stopping by for the first time,
Please subscribe and don't break your phone, but still break your phone. Call John Cena and have him smash it to the ground.
What? Out of control.
I don't even know how to follow that up. But I do have one huge favor to ask of you guys. So my family, a huge tradition that we have every year, we get together, we carve pumpkins. Yeah. My brother thinks he's like the best pumpkin carver. I care to disagree. So we're gonna light these bad boys up. We're gonna show them. I need you to comment below which one you think is the favorite.
Obviously it's this one.
Or obviously it's this one, or obviously it's
I'm going with
It's
this
not
one.
this one.
Yeah, it is this one.
So it's gonna be Frenchie, emoji, or ghost.
If you vote for the ghost, you get free LED lights.
Don't listen to his little BS about getting free LED lights. That don't work.
True.
Number 1, number 2, or number 3.
All right, so number 1.
Where's my lighter?
And that's a Frenchie?
That's a Frenchie.
Okay. All right.
Number 2, heart emoji.
Heart emojis, okay.
Number 3, boogeyman ghost thing, whatever.
All right. Boogeyman ghost thing, that's number 3.
Yeah.
All right. So comment below, guys, which pumpkin is the best pumpkin?
Kinsley,
You get free ice cream.
you go pick which one you like, okay? This one.
You like that one?
Okay, I like my cousin Kendall's.
Oh, look at her, she's looking right at the camera.
I like my cousin Kendall's. Yeah, that's right, girl.
She likes ours the best.
Glow girl.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying the content.
Was mine not good enough?
No, it was good. We'll see you on the next upload. Love you guys.